should not make you insecure, especially when you wear my bedroom door. Just in bikini bottom to the top, McLaren orange color of your top. See water dripping down your body line, golden skin mixing with some clear lines. The sun been drawing round a silhouette, kissing you back and giving you some heat. How many times do I gotta say, you're the only one who finds a lane. You're the only one I'm tryna lay, tanning on your body, mad attractive. How many times do I gotta say, you're the only one who finds a lane. You're the only one who feels ashamed. Let me uncover the parts you're hiding. Yeah, holidays, nearby the beach, sipping Chardonnay. Home to Marito, it's Saturday. Virgin for me, I know I don't drink enough. On delay, you off that I'll call you something else. Bartender notice it's something else. Tipsy, you try to tip someone else, and you treating the bar like it's nothing new. It's where we used to have rendezvous, down the hallway, I've been texting you. Well, yeah, I pulled up in a suit, red vest, and I could have wear the blue. After hours, after about you. How many times do I gotta say, you're the only one who finds a lane. You're the only one I'm tryna lay, tanning on your body, mad attractive. How many times do I gotta say, you're the only one who finds a lane. You're the only one who feels ashamed. Let me uncover the parts you're hiding. I know that you ain't the same. 5 years since I've been away. You should still done with your problems. You both have been parting ways. Maybe it's the time to tell me everything that I've been missing. You're looking harder than ever, and it's hard to concentrate. Yeah. Do you remember how you used to look when we first met? At that moment I already knew how we would get. You'd be problematic, you'd be giving me long nights, overthinking about that action, awkward interactions. I've been dating several women, but you always been first position. Only giving you affection to maintain and keep your attraction.